I mean, the ship. Which, like all ships, is fast with the speed, not so much with his mouth. Dude!
I may not have psychic powers, but I can guess what you're thinking. You overreacted and you don't know how to apologize. Just say sorry.
He'll come around. Yes, seem to like me much.
You guys remember he has super hearing.